Okay, so this video today is about this little, it's called a sports camera. It says it records in 1080p. It's supposed to take pictures at 3.3 megapixels. I bought this off of a Chinese website. I think it was Top Hatter, a month or two ago. Paid $10 and that included the shipping. So the question is, what do you get for a $10 camera? Now here's what it looks like up close. There you go. Right, so what do you get for a $10 camera? Well, I don't know. Let's find out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up this scenario, kind of comparing a whole bunch of different cameras together, and then we'll see how it works. Stand by. Okay, here is the configuration that I got. The cameras are as close together as I can. The tripods are kind of, banging legs together. But this will be what you will see in the next few clips. Okay, so this is all three cameras. Like I said, it's as close to the same picture as I could get. Obviously there's problems with legs on tripods colliding and how do you get things mounted, but what I'm going to show you is three clips. This clip I'm showing you right now is done with my normal handy cam that I've been using for a few years. I'm going to also show you the Logitech webcam. I looked it up. That Logitech webcam was manufactured in 2012. Okay, so the video portion of this test kind of proved that this little camera was a failure. Let's see how it does taking pictures. Now keep in mind, this is supposed to be a 3.3 megapixel camera. Now I'm going to compare it to my iPhone 11 Pro. Is that a fair comparison? Probably not. So how about this Hewlett-Packard camera? This is 20 years old. It has, I think, a 2.2 megapixel camera. In fact, I had to buy an adapter because this thing still uses the old compact flash cards. I don't see them anymore. But it powered up and it worked pretty well, amazingly. So here's a comparison of the pictures between the $10 Chinese sports camera, a 20-year-old HP digital camera, and an iPhone 11 Pro. See if you can tell the difference. Okay, here they come. Well, obviously, in my mind, this camera is not worth anything. So I'm going to do a quick durability test. Yeah, that's it, durability test. I got it sitting on a 5-pound weight, and I'm going to drop another one right on top of it, and let's see what happens. That was kind of amazing. Let's try it from a different angle. Are you ready? Stand by. It didn't survive. Okay, so apparently it did not survive the 5-pound weight drop test. So Looks like it shattered the screen, knocked the front bezel off. That thing went on there somehow. I guess that, I don't even know how that went on there. It looks like I'm missing a piece somewhere. I'll have to go dig around. There's the battery door, some little something. So anyway, maybe I can use that battery in something else. There it is. So what do you get for 10 bucks from China? Nothing. Other than an entertaining video. So the moral of the story is, you do pay for what you get. If you pay $10 for a Chinese camera, you're going to get a $10 Chinese camera. Now, unfortunately, the camera was pretty much junk. Okay, it's junk, but it actually did come with some pretty cool stuff. Now, I'm pretty sure this little adapter probably would have survived the 5-pound drop test okay. Maybe. But it came with like a bicycle handlebar attachment. Now these are standard 1/4-inch attachments, 1/4-20 attachments, so I'll probably get some use out of these things. It come with the 1/4-20 sticky back attachment. Another little attachment, some straps. So it came with some interesting accessories, which actually look like they're pretty good quality, and I might be able to get some use out of some of it. Alright, well that's it for this video. As always, subscribe, click that little dingy dong bell wherever it is, and make sure you get notifications when I post new videos. And like always, have fun.